I reminisce on every rainy day. I wish this shit could wash my pain away. Mama made sure we had food on the table. She did. So just for that I owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. We got evicted, granny let us stay. Owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. My uncles made sure I had plenty game. Owe 100, come view my tribulations, come view my pain. Come with that, I hope you come with that flame. My so-called niggas been hating, won't say they names. No feelings toward that, my heart pumps out Novocaine. They disposable, I don't need them. Young gladiator, bitch laid the gruesome beats. Heard the chants in the Coliseum. Smoke daily, they say the sky's the limit, I'm trying to reach it. Cut niggas off, they sweet and I ain't got time for diabetes. Used to be an outcast like 3 stacks from Stacoli. Now nigga Mac, that's Jigsaw Julian. My closest niggas young nigga. Mostly I be schooling them. Elders call us hooligans. Hammer pants be too legit. Real niggas ain't perfect, this I know. With that being said, free Jimmy Kelly till they bring them home. It's either niggas shady or they lazy or they hating. So if I ain't with Lil Bro, I'm riding solo hydroplaning. Yeah, I reminisce on every rainy day. I wish this shit could wash my pain away. Mama made sure we had food on the table. She did. So just for that I owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. We got evicted, granny let us stay. Owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. My uncles made sure I had plenty game. Owe 100, Odds against me, I remember Hendrix County, never been incarcerated. Sisters crying, mama praying, think about my brother face. My OG helped me, I appreciate him playing spades. I swear I owe 100 favors. Left from church, the van was gone and it was cold. My mom thought I was joking, not for real, somebody stole it. What about that eviction? That was hard as hell. People kept walking by, acting was we having a yard sale. During that time, I was quiet as hell, contemplating the scale. Nigga drug cartel, mad clientele, and my mama could tell I couldn't let it prevail. Fell in love with a girl, and of course I broke her heart. I just hope there ain't no scars. Draw my granny up a wall, but I got that diploma after all. I don't get to the city too often. Young nigga in the white Impala, don't care if the verse shit on it, cause at least it ain't the next nigga shit know me. I reminisce on every rainy day. I wish this shit could wash my pain away. Mama made sure we had food on the table. She did. So just for that I owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors. Owe 100 favors.